Bishop ALLAN KIUNA, co-founder and senior pastor of Jubilee Christian Church, JCC in Nairobi, has died. His passing marks the end of an era for the influential church leader who has been a significant figure in Kenya's religious community. KIUNA passed away at a hospital in Nairobi where he had been admitted. According to a family spokesman, his condition had deteriorated on Tuesday, prompting his hospitalization. Despite medical efforts, KIUNA succumbed to his illness. Diagnosed with multiple myeloma cancer in 2018, KIUNA's battle with the disease was well known among his congregation and the public. His resilience and faith throughout his illness were sources of inspiration for many. Upon receiving the tragic news, friends and family gathered at his home in Rwanda to mourn and celebrate his life. The sense of loss was palpable among those who knew him personally and within the JCC community. Bishop KIUNA, alongside his wife Kathy KIUNA, co-founded JCC, which has grown to become one of the most prominent churches in Nairobi. Their ministry has touched countless lives through various outreach programs, sermons, and community services. In this moment of grief, our condolences go out to his wife Kathy KIUNA, their family, and the entire JCC community. Bishop ALLAN KIUNA's legacy will undoubtedly continue to influence and inspire long after his passing. For more updates on this developing story, stay tuned.